Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Today we wanted to get you in on a walkthrough. We're doing a progress inspection of the paint process on the basement development we've been working on. If you're subscribed to our channel, you would have seen an in-depth review of the drywall process. So this is the same job. Today we're going to be covering the paint process. So we like to use Cloverdale products. We use Renovation for our trim and doors and Super 2 on our walls. It's an affordable, durable product, and our painters like using it and recommend that. So we do spray all the trim and doors so that we can get a nice smooth finish. That being said, we make sure that all the preparation is done before we spray, meaning all the caulking and the filling of the nail holes, sanding, everything is done, and then we do a thorough vacuum of the floors so that we don't end up spraying that dust up throughout the spraying process. So we do roll the walls, we cut everything in with the brush and roll the walls. Preparation is key to a good paint job. Anyone can apply paint. What really makes a better overall result is the prep. Good preparation, when you get a little better and quicker at it, also speeds up the process too. So a few tips that we have about paint prep is use good tape. We prefer the frog tape for a couple different reasons. So the frog tape has a paint blocking technology. So when you're cutting this wall in to the frog tape, it won't bleed through the tape. Also, this tape works on delicate surfaces, so we can apply this tape 24 hours after we spray the baseboard and not have to worry about peeling the paint off the baseboard. It'll also stick for up to 60 days, they claim. We typically don't run into this, but it's just good to know. So another thing, obviously use a good brush when you're cutting in. Make sure your brush is kept clean. It makes all the difference when you're cutting in, up into a stippled ceiling, right? Allows for nice clean cut lines where you can't tape. Because of course, if you taped up here, you would peel that texture off. Another thing that's important is you want to sand between coats. Right, so after we apply first coat, we'll go around and we'll check and make sure that there's no dings or small deficiencies that are now showing up once we've applied color to the wall. But it just creates a nice smooth texture, right? So you can see we might have picked up a couple little pieces of lint or something off the roller. If we sand this wall with our pole sander, it's gonna allow for a better, nice surface on the second coat. 10 mil microfab plus roller sleeve makes for a super smooth finish. Sims tray and liner with the locking nubs to secure that tray as you fill your roller. Apply force on the inside edge of your cut, making a W-like pattern to hide those vertical marks. The last part of our paint process after the carpet is installed is to come back and just fill any minor dings that have happened throughout the carpet install. It's hard to get the carpet down in basements especially and installed without any wall damage, so we just want to make this right, do a little bit of minor polyfill and touch up these spots. Secondly, we have to rehang all the doors on the jambs because the doors have to in fact be removed from the jambs to be sprayed, and then we install the doorknobs. So we're ready here to just have our final sand and paint touch up, and then we're prepared for our last looks walkthrough with the customer. Thanks for tuning in today. Subscribe below and check us out online at www.cbrannonconstruction.com or on Facebook, C. Brannon Construction.